Hi, in this video, I'll be using the Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin to do a demonstration on how we can allow chief account executives to access all insurance policy details within their country. In this video, I'll be pulling attributes from different data sources without enrolling them on CloudAz. Use attributes from different sources in one policy, and verify the policy in Policy Validator. For this video, I'll be creating a policy called Allow Chief Executives to access all insurance policy details within their country. There are usually only one chief account executive in an entire country, and chief account executives have higher level of access compared to division managers. Before we proceed, let's take a look at our database and our CSV file. For the deployment of DAP plugin, there will be a link attached to our previous DAP plugin video, both on the pop-up and our description. In our database, compared to our previous video, we are not limited to United States anymore. Our customer base expanded and their operation has expanded to China, Germany, and France. Now, let's look at our policy. Allow chief account executives to access all insurance policy details within their country. This policy is a sub-policy to deny all users from viewing insurance policy details, with the exception we made for division managers for their regional policy details. Here, we're adding a new exception for chief account executives on the country level. In this policy, we're using a subject component called chief account executive, which contains an attribute of a role equal to chief account executive, a resource component called countrywide insurance policy details with the attribute of country equal to the user's country. And finally, we have our action component, view, which is the action we're allowing the subject to perform. In our policy validator, I have constructed the test case for our policy. Here we are using 33 as our subject ID, which is employee ID 33 Mia Scott, a chief account executive from the United States. In this test case, Mia Scott is a chief account executive. She will be able to access policy number 18, which is also a policy from the United States. Now let's run our test case. Let's change our test case by a little bit. Although employee ID 32, Ava Richardson, is also from the United States, since she is not the chief account executive, she does not have the access to policy details. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more CloudAz videos.